In prehistoric North America, there was no place quite like California's Great Central Valley and Delta region. Native societies here made their living harvesting a bounty of wild plants, hunting vast herds of elk, antelope, and deer, and catching salmon by the thousands. Their social institutions were complex, and their economies were as sophisticated as any on the continent. The Patwin, in particular, were among the largest native groups in the region, often living in towns of hundreds to thousands of individuals, a population made possible by the abundance of resources along the region's rivers and creeks. Today, the University of California at Davis sits on land along one of these creeks. Mindful of the land they inherited and the history of the people who came before them, the university wanted to prepare a plan to honor Native Americans and particularly the local Patwin people. To accomplish this goal, UC Davis contracted with Far Western Anthropological Research Group.
Our team worked closely with members of the university's project committee and Patwin elder Bill Wright and his family. Together we developed a plan to honor Native Americans and designed 11 installations for prominent locations on the UC Davis campus. The largest and first completed of these installations is a contemplative garden in the campus arboretum.
Naturally shaped basalt columns stand sentinel in the garden. They represent the Patwin people, their strength and resilience. And like the Patwin people, these columns are firmly rooted in the land. The curving path represents the flow of the creek and the flow of time. The words of the guardian columns lead the visitor's thoughts back through the years. Many of the mature trees and new plantings surrounding the area are important to the Patwin people. The elder oak that watches from the far side of the creek is over 400 years old and may have shaded the people of the Patwin village of Putah and provided them with acorns, an important food. The culmination of the path is a spiral seating area. The spiral represents the coiled start of a Patwin basket, which must be strong and endure. At the heart of this spiral is a final column with words that echo that theme. Then, now, and always a part of this land.
We consulted with one of the top mission scholars to gather the names that appear on the sides of the garden's central column. These are the names of the men, women, and children that were removed from the village of Putah and taken into the missions between 1817 and 1836. This is our way of honoring them and bringing their memory home.
Here grows a beautiful garden, a place to contemplate the past and our future, the result of years of work by many people dedicated to honoring the Patwin people and acknowledging that this is Patwin land.